Hey, it's Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you how to do filet crochet with an open mesh using treble crochet stitches. Once you learned how to do this, you can crochet these adorable market bags that are also pouches, as you can see. So it's like a 2-in-1. You're gonna get either a gingerbread man or the snowman. Let me show you how it looks like once you take out the market bag. I'm just gonna use the snowman right here. You're gonna take this, you're going to flip it inside out so that the face is on the inside, and then you're going to have the bag revealed that you can use as a market bag. And once you are done using it as a market bag, all you got to do is take all of this and stuff it back in by reversing the pouch. Just stuff it all back in, and then you have the snowman again. And the same is true for the gingerbread man. Now, only one of these patterns will be available for free tomorrow on our website as part of the Christmas Mosaic Crochet Mystery Crochet Along. You're going to be able to get access to 12 stitches and 12 patterns. If you get the ebook, however, you will get 12 additional patterns per stitch. So that means you have 24 patterns in the ebook. And of course, the entire ebook is already available to you, ad-free and printer-friendly. You can purchase it down below. There's a coupon code you can access that is valid until December 24th, 2024. So take advantage of it if you want to get all the patterns and all the stitches ad-free and printer-friendly right now, so that way you don't have to wait for each individual day to be revealed. All the odd days are going to be the stitch tutorials, and all the even days are going to be the patterns. And the pattern that comes the following of a stitch is going to be related to the stitch that you learned the previous day. So since you're learning the filet crochet treble crochet stitch today, one of these patterns will be revealed tomorrow for free. If you want both, grab the ebook. Since the main body of the market is going to have filet crochet using treble crochet stitches, but only the open mesh, so it has, gaps all the way around, I'm going to teach you how to crochet this. However, the bags will come with a few additional video tutorials that you can access in order to crochet the entire market bag. For this swatch right here, I'm going to use a multiple of 3 plus 1 plus 1. So only one of those plus ones is going to be the turning chain that we're not going to count as a stitch. So here's what we're going to do. The very first stitch is going to be a alternative turning chain or stacked single crochet stitch. It counts as a treble crochet stitch. Let me show you. So starting from the second chain from the hook right here, I'm going to go in and crochet a single crochet stitch. I like to go in a back bump, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So here we go. We're going to make a single crochet stitch, and now I'm going to go into the loop right here that is closest to my yarn finger. So there's 2 loops of the single crochet stitch, right? So if you're looking at the front, there were 2 yarn loops on my hook. Those 2 loops right there. This one that's closest to my yarn finger, I'm going to go back in. So that's the same loop as we pulled up last. So right here, this loop, I'm going to go in, yarn over and pull through. Again, you have your 2 loops on your hook. You're going to use the left one again in a moment. So here, yarn over, pull through. You finish up like another single crochet stitch, but the treble crochet stitch needs 1 more single crochet stitch on top. So let's do that. Insert right here into the loop that's closest to my yarn finger, yarn over and pull through. Again, through 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through. So now you have 3 stacked single crochet stitches on top of each other, and they count as a treble crochet stitch. So you're now going to skip 2 stitches, and you're going to make 2 stitches using chains. So 2 chains and 2 skipped stitches, and then a treble crochet stitch in the following stitch. So right here is going to be our treble crochet stitch. So I'm going to freeze right after so you can see how this looks like. So I'm going to pull this out. So you're going to have a little tiny, let's call it a pixel right here. You have this edge right here. You have 2 chains and 2 skipped stitches and the treble crochet stitch. Now there are different types of filet crochet out there. There's typically the 3 double crochet filet crochet and the 4 double crochet filet crochet. Well, this one is a treble crochet version of the 4 double crochet filet crochet. Let's call it a 4 treble crochet filet crochet, which means that 1 pixel is corresponding to 4 stitches. However, the 4th stitch right here is also the 1st stitch of the next pixel. So it's kind of like a dual purpose of that stitch. Let me show you. So if we're going to make our next little pixel right here, we're going to skip 2 stitches and chain 2. So the chains 2 is the same as the skipped stitches here, and we're making a treble crochet stitch in the following stitch. So once I've done so, it's going to look like this. You're going to have these 2 pixels, right? So this one and this one. So if I count, remember I just said 4 treble crochet filet crochet, so that would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. However, the next one also has 4, but the 4th one over here from this pixel is number 1 on the next, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then this one now is going to be number 1 for the next one. So it's either 1 or 4, right? So it's pretty much the same stitches used twice, if you want to count it that way. Think of it like on a pixel graph, it's that wall, right? It's that line. So whether you're going to count it for the first one or the next one, it doesn't matter, as long as you have the right stitch count in this case. So let's do the last one in this row right here. It would be a chain 2, skip 2, and a treble crochet stitch right here. And once you've done so, you have now, in this case, for my little teeny tiny swatch, I have here 3 pixels. So let's count together. The stitches for the 4 treble crochet filet crochet is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you can also count it a little bit differently if you like. You can say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 edge stitch. I don't care how you count it, as long as you make sure you have the right number and everything works out in the end, right? So if you are now turning your project, so for the bags that I showed you earlier, the snowman and the gingerbread man market bag, that is done in rounds. So obviously you would make a slip stitch at the end and then go up into the next round. So here, pretend I just did that and I'm going up in the next round. So for that, you're going to start again with an alternative turning chain or stacked single crochet stitch right away. No chain of 1 or anything. You're going to start with a single crochet stitch, insert your hook into the loop closest to your yarn finger of that single crochet stitch you just made. So yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through. Let's do that one more time. So insert into this one now, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. So 3 stacked single crochet stitches on top of each other. Now chain of 2 and skip 2 stitches. In this case, it's going to be the chains that you're skipping, and make a treble crochet stitch in the following stitch. And that way you have your next pixel done right on top of the one below it. So let me do the next 2 stitches with you. So again, chain of 2, skip 2 stitches, and a treble crochet stitch on top of that treble crochet stitch. So the entire project right here is made in open mesh, so there is no closed mesh. Closed mesh would be, instead of making chains, you would have treble crochet stitches. So either one or the other. So if an open mesh means you're using chains, if it's closed mesh, you would be using treble crochet stitches where the chains are. So you wouldn't be skipping stitches, of course, if you're making treble crochet stitches. So here we go. I'm making my very last one. So chain of 2, skip 2, and right on top of that alternative turning chain from the very first row, you're going to place right on top a treble crochet stitch. And it's going to look like this when you're done. So now go ahead and practice for your little swatch so that way you're ready for tomorrow to make your market bags. Maybe you can make one that has 8 pixels across and 6 pixels to the top. So that way it's a grid of 8 times 6. Then you have a little swatch that's about 6 times 6 inches, and show us that you can do this. I would love to see your swatch for the Treble Crochet Filet Crochet, all using open mesh. And once you've done so, you can make these cutie pies right here, which is the gingerbread man or the snowman filet crochet market bag that is made into a cute little pouch. Great as a gift, perfect for the holiday season to go to the market and grab your produce or anything else you want to put in there. Now keep in mind that only one of these 2 patterns will be published for free tomorrow as part of the Christmas Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along. Which pattern are you hoping it's going to be? Leave a comment down below. We would love to know. And be sure to post your pictures of the swatch or the patterns that you're crocheting using this hashtag here on the screen, and post it into a Facebook group called Crocheting with Nikki, so that way we can find and celebrate you that you made your swatch or your pattern. I hope you're enjoying this Christmas Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along. And if you want all the patterns, remember you have access to the ebook. If you want to purchase this, there's a coupon code down below as well, so that way you get it at a stellar deal until December 24th, 2024. Now be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. I hope to see you in the next stitch tutorial for the Christmas Advent Calendar Mystery Crochet Along. Don't forget to make your patterns too. They are perfect for the Christmas time, decorations, and of course, gift ideas. I'll see you in the next stitch tutorial. Bye!